Cloud mining in 2025, is it the best way to earn passive crypto income? Or is it just a minefield of scams? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of cloud mining to uncover the truth. From Ecos and Go mining to BMine, we'll separate the hidden gems from the scams and find out which platform, if any, is worth your investment. Stick around for the full breakdown. If you're new here, welcome to How to Hub. I cover everything from crypto trends to tech tutorials and ways to maximize your investments. Ecos claims to be a leader in Bitcoin mining, boasting over 6 years of service and 500,000 users. They advertise contracts with returns as high as 400% over 5 years and 137% in just 1 year. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. These numbers are based on Bitcoin prices reaching sky-high predictions like $120,000 or more. If Bitcoin doesn't hit those targets, you're in for some serious losses. Even their smallest 12-month contract requires Bitcoin to be above $108,000 just to break even. For me, Ecos is a no-go. Next up, Go mining. Unlike fixed contracts, Go mining offers NFT-backed virtual miners, giving you flexibility to buy, sell, and trade your mining setup whenever you want. Let's break down the numbers. With a small $28 miner, you're earning about 3 cents a day, which doesn't sound like much. But scale that up and suddenly $2,500 gets you $100 a month in passive income. That's over 40% ROI per year. Now, keep in mind, profitability depends heavily on Bitcoin's price staying above $49,000. If Bitcoin dips below that, your profits could vanish. Still, Go mining's model feels more transparent and flexible than traditional contracts. BMine offers fractional ownership of mining equipment to lower the barrier to entry. While that sounds appealing, their practices have raised some red flags. Multiple users report that BMine initially pays out rewards as promised, but just as you're about to break even, surprise bills for repairs or replacements suddenly appear. These fees often wipe out any profits, making it feel more like a trap than an investment. For me, this platform is a hard pass. So, is cloud mining the best crypto mining method in 2025? It can be, if you do your research. Of the platforms we reviewed today, Go mining stands out as the most transparent and flexible option. But even then, the risks are real. Always read the fine print and be cautious before investing your hard-earned money. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to How to Hub, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on cloud mining. For more tips on crypto and passive income, check out these videos right here. See you in the next one.